Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use Google Play Store or any browser in Lenovo TAB M8. And first let's try to download something from Google Play Store. For example, Discord. If we click on install, it changes into pending mode and it's stuck in it forever. We can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. So if we refresh or try to reach any other website, there's this error. And to fix both of the issues, we'll need to open our settings. Go for the system at the bottom. Then select date and time. And here make sure to activate network provided time. Now everything should be working again, so we can download Discord on our Google Play Store. And Google Chrome now responds to any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.